So let's get right into it now. Um, Normally we can use our notepad to write our code for Python, and whatever you do, just save it as .py, and you will be able to, if you have Python installed, you'll be able to run and use Python. But to make things easy for us, for inside in this tutorial, we are going to be using Spider IDE. It's a very lovely, cool IDE that makes our work faster and easier. So head into this website and you just go to downloads and click whether you're using download Windows or Mac. Download the software, and after some minutes it's done. So when it's done downloading, you just open. So just follow the procedure, agree, install, choose a folder, and after some couple of minutes you'll see it's installed. Now done, finish, and starts. So it's done. This is what we have, and we can write our code here and see the result, or you can use this console, whichever one you prefer. Okay,